Hey everyone, we're here in the secluded neighborhood of Preserve Pointe, located in North Merritt Island just south of Kennedy Space Center. This home sits perfectly on a 1 acre square lot, and the house features over 2,800 square feet under air with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a screened-in pool. This heart-shaped house is a home you'll fall in love with. You gotta come check it out. I love it here in Preserve Pointe, and I'm sure you will too.